This is a fidget spinner. This is Cole. Cole likes fidget spinners. That's a fidget spinner and that's Cole. See, he's enjoying it. These are fidget spinners. This is Cole. Cole likes 2 fidget spinners.